The Cadet EBHN1500W, while wide, comes with the power needed to heat large areas like master bedrooms, nurseries and living rooms. Its hydronic heating element radiates long-lasting heat and complements its high heat output. Though it offers limited wiring compatibility, this baseboard heater offers an energy-efficient and non-toxic solution to keeping a room warm. For these reasons, it earns heating. With its 1500-watt capacity, this electric baseboard heater is capable of heating up to a 300-square-foot room in homes with adequate insulation. The hydronic fluid that encapsulates the heating element helps prevent heat from escaping to the metal surface of the heater. This saves energy and keeps the unit at a safe operating temperature. The Cadet operates silently and efficiently by slowly circulating fluid around the heating element to retain heat, even after turning off. The hydronic capsule is self-contained and sealed to preserve energy, though it does take some time to build up a noticeable amount of heat. This results in fewer on and off cycles and more consistent room temperatures, ultimately lowering electrical bills, increasing comfort levels. Much like any other baseboard heater, this unit mounts directly to the wall with its two rear mounting points, and attaches to wiring on the left-hand side of the unit. Whereas many units offer wiring on both sides of the device, this one only has one end on one side, which can make placement rather difficult depending on existing wiring, given its 83-inch length. The unit requires high-voltage wiring, and is compatible with both 240 and 208-volt wiring, ideal for modern and whole-home heating systems. Because it is incompatible with 120-volt wiring, this unit may require you to run additional wiring behind your walls. This baseboard heating device comes in a variety of sizes, ranging in capacity from 500 watts to 1500. Each of these units follows the same design as the model I reviewed, with the main difference being width and heating capacity. The amps required by these heaters range from 4.2 to 12.5 for the larger models. However, this model only uses 6.3 amps while attached to a 240-volt wire, or 6.2 amps with a 208-volt wire. Amps measure the amount of electricity used and is an indicator that the heater is among the more efficient of models in this product line, given its size. This electric baseboard heating unit comes with a 7-year warranty period that protects both the heating element and the overall components. If disassembly is required to replace specific parts, the Cadet website offers multiple resources to identify specific parts and part numbers, as well as technical specifications and instructions on how to install the unit. You can also utilize the company's phone support for warranty and installation questions. Dimensions and wiring. The Cadet EBHN1500W is a unit that is by no means a space saver. Its 83-inch width forces you to free up a significant amount of wall space. Its size and power make it well suited for homes with high-voltage wiring. It is an energy-efficient replacement for old baseboard heaters due to its hydronic heating component. It may take some time to properly heat up, but the circulating fluid it uses to retain and generate heat helps maintain temperatures in a room even longer than regular electric heaters. Warranty and support.